The future of smartphones is always a topic of great excitement, and Apple, as usual, has set the stage for what could be a major shift in the smartphone world. The upcoming iPhone 17, set to launch in 2025, has already sparked some intriguing rumors. One of the most exciting predictions is that all models in the iPhone 17 lineup, including the standard version, could feature ProMotion displays. If you're wondering what makes this so significant, let's break it down. ProMotion is a feature that first appeared on the iPad Pro back in 2017. It brought a game-changing ability to the device by offering display refresh rates as high as 120 Hz when needed. This meant that everything from scrolling through social media to watching videos felt incredibly smooth and responsive. For activities like drawing with the Apple Pencil, ProMotion offered an almost lifelike experience. But the real magic of ProMotion lies in its ability to adjust the refresh rate depending on the content displayed. When showing static images, the refresh rate would slow down, saving battery power without sacrificing visual quality. While ProMotion made its way to the iPhone Pro models, starting with the iPhone 13 Pro, the standard iPhones have not had this feature until now. Recent reports from a reliable source suggest that the iPhone 17 could break this trend by introducing ProMotion across all models. If true, this would mean that even users who opt for the standard iPhone 17 will experience the same smooth display technology that previously was exclusive to the more expensive Pro versions. This could revolutionize the way we interact with iPhones, making everything from browsing to gaming feel faster and more fluid. And thanks to the adaptive refresh rate, this upgrade would also help conserve battery life, so you get the best of both worlds, performance and efficiency. But ProMotion isn't just about high refresh rates. It also brings an enhanced versatility to the table. For example, current Pro models like the iPhone 16 Pro Max use ProMotion to enable features like an always-on display, a feature that was once reserved for high-end smartphones only. If ProMotion makes its way to the standard iPhone 17, this could mean that users will get access to features like an always-on display without needing to spend a premium. For Apple, this would be a major shift in its approach to dividing features between the Pro and standard models. Historically, the Pro series has been packed with exclusive features, but if this rumor pans out, it could blur the line between what makes a Pro phone Pro and what makes a standard iPhone, well, standard. So why has Apple taken so long to bring ProMotion to the regular iPhone models? A big part of the reason could be cost. Advanced technologies like ProMotion are cheap, and Apple has strategically kept it exclusive to the Pro models to justify the price difference. But with increasing competition in the smartphone market, Apple may now feel that the time is right to introduce these high-end features to a wider audience. As consumers become more demanding and expect premium features at every price point, Apple may be adjusting its strategy to meet these expectations. This potential shift also ties into other leaks and rumors surrounding the iPhone 17. Reports from earlier in 2024 have already suggested significant design changes, including a redesigned rear camera layout. These developments hint that Apple could be preparing to introduce some truly game-changing features with the iPhone 17, not just in terms of displays, but also in overall design and functionality. If these predictions turn out to be accurate, the iPhone 17 could mark a major turning point for Apple. By making ProMotion a standard feature, Apple would be offering a more consistent experience across its entire range, while also setting a new standard for what users can expect in their devices. For users, this would mean a more refined, smoother, and efficient iPhone experience, regardless of the model you choose. Whether you're a die-hard Apple fan or simply someone looking for a phone that's future-proof, the thought of such advancements being available to all iPhone users is undeniably exciting. As always with Apple, we won't know for sure until the official announcement, but the buzz surrounding these rumors already has everyone talking. What do you think about this potential move by Apple? Would you be excited to see ProMotion on a standard iPhone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends and smartphone breakthroughs. Stay tuned for more exciting news, and we'll catch you. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3M production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.